Here we go, guys. A beautiful 2008 Mitsubishi MR. So basically I have a cutback, but we're gonna go full titanium exhaust, straight pipe. I'm gonna put the phone right now so you guys can hear the cold start with the Kobe exhaust cutback. Try to put it somewhere right here. Not gonna lie, but yeah, it's pretty quiet. I guess because I have the mufflers, that's why. But there is no cut on the car, so we're gonna see. To be honest, I'm very excited. Like, I can't wait to install the exhaust, which my brother is gonna help me because I can't do it myself right now. I broke my arm. So let's get it down. Actually, it's not that quiet, to be honest, guys. Sheesh. Here we go, guys. The car is in the shop. So basically this is my exhaust right now, cut back, but the muffler it's complete right there, like there is stuff inside. So basically we're gonna replace it from here all the way back. Full titanium TOMEI exhaust. Yes sir, can't wait to see how this beauty is gonna sound. How about this? Ready?
You ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm excited.